Hey YouTube, it's Erin. Guess what? I did it again. I'm the handbag housewife and I seem to be buying a lot of handbags lately. And today I have something special to show you, something I didn't even know existed, something that is part of the Tory Burch Willa line. I think it may be a new style. It's definitely a new color. So without further ado, I'm going to open it. So it came in this box. And let's see what I got. I'm pretty sure that I requested gift wrapping again. The Willa line is made for the outlet. So this bag is an outlet bag, but the leather on these bags is amazing. Once again, they did a great job wrapping it. See? I like how they wrap it in tissue and tape a little note to it. And then they put the bag in a bag, which is pretty Tory Burch colors. And here we go. Okay, you ready for the big reveal? It's not in a dust bag this time. Looky there. This is a Willa Vanity. I'm gonna take a quick peek at it here. Well, heck. I really like it, but the logo almost looks off center. Does that look off center to you? I don't know what I think about that, but let me open it. It's got a really pretty inside. It's kind of almost like a taupey pink nylon with the Tory Burch on it. Just for reference, this is an iPhone 11 Pro spec case and it fits just fine. It looks like it'll fit all my SLGs. Small leather goods, for those who don't know purse lingo. And then as far as the strap goes, it's the same kind of strap as on the top handle bag that I showed you a few days ago. So there is the bag. And I'm gonna try it on. It is a cute little bag. I'm not 100% sure on it. You guys have to let me know what you think. It's adorable. I will say that. But I don't know that it lays quite as well as the other style, the top handle style. And I'm using my top handle style, so it's in the other room. Let me go grab it. Okay, so here's the other top handle style. I feel like, you see how it lays on my body? It just lays a little nicer. I'm not sure what it is, you know, it's just, this looks like I've got like a little brick on me, but it definitely, see, it hangs lower. It's a fixed strap in both cases. I think the straps are the same length. Let me get my tape measure out and measure. Okay, I just confirmed that the strap on this one is 44.5 inches and on this one it's 45. So they're essentially the same. But as you saw on my body, this one hangs much lower than this one does because it's like, it's taller, see? So I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this. The logo is a little off center and that really kind of bugs me. I am going to put all my stuff from this bag into this bag and just see if it fits, because since it's off center, I should be able to return it without any issue. So I've got this pouch. This is about 8 inches wide. Maybe it's slightly too wide for this bag, but you can kind of smash it in just a little bit. Then I've got a key clay from Louis Vuitton, another key clay from Louis Vuitton, a little jewelry pouch. I've got AirPods. I've got a car key. I have my card case, a hand cream. And that's what all that looks like in there. And then I should be able to just lay my phone across the top. Yes. So actually, capacity-wise, I would say this bag is just a little bit more comfortable in what it fits than this one, surprisingly. So there you go. I think it's gorgeous. I'm not sure about it though. I'm gonna have to think on it and maybe talk to Christina and see what she thinks about it. Okay, I put it with my 47-inch chain that I got from Amazon in the gold color, and I definitely feel like it looks better with this chain than it does with the one that it came with, because it has an extra inch or two down, and I just feel like it looks more stylish that way. Okay guys, so I'm in the car because I had to bring my youngest to get his hair cut, and I wanted to give you an update regarding what my plan was, and I'm going to do a return. I called the store and they said since it was one of their online link purchases, because they didn't have the bag in stock, that I had to either email customer service or do live chat. So I did live chat because I wanted it to go quicker, and I wasn't 100% sure I wasn't going to get a replacement until I was chatting with them, and it just seemed like too big of a pain. I'm not sure I'm 100% in love with that bag. It's just kind of, it doesn't look great on my body, I don't think, even though it's super cute, and I do like it more with the longer chain like I showed you. So I'm going to do a return, because if I'm not 100% in love, I have too many bags to keep it, because I won't use it if it's not love. So I'm doing the return to get my money back, and I just wanted to give you that news. And if you like the bag, it is super cute. I doubt that there will be issues with the logo centered on very many of them, because I have 6 Willas and all the logos look great. And on the 2 that I sold, they looked great too. So I think this is just kind of a one-off. But if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.